Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are back with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Wednesday hump day. Hopefully everyone is safe, especially down in Florida. Crazy hurricane out there, or down there. Hopefully you guys are alright. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. This is coming, I think it's SQ13, but I'll have the title corrected and everything. This is their version of waterproof mini DV camera, full HD, 1920 by 1080, super wide angle lens, waterproof, up to 98 feet. That's pretty deep. Car recorder, outdoor, marine, aerial, home security. Here you go. There's all different formats. MPEG, AV. Definitely need a micro SD card or a TF card. I'm not sure if I have any. I'm looking. I thought I had one, but it should be easy to set up without it. So we're going to take a look, see what it is, and see how it looks, and the functions, all that good stuff. Oh, this is a tiny little dude. Holy crap. Look at that. Comes with a case and everything. That's for the waterproof. That's really nice. Should be easy. There we go. There's a little latch back here. You just got, there you go, like that. Get the camera out. Oh, man, it's tiny. Look how tiny this camera is. Oh, nice. Nice frontal. You can see the night vision right there. Lights and everything. Hopefully it's charged. We can actually see it working. And we got the USB. We got one of these mounts. You can mount it on your car or home, your office, trailer, anything. It's full pivotal. It's magnetic. Another bracket. That's for the camera. Hook it up to like a snorkel mask, diving mask, your bike. Nice. So you got go on like this once it's fully hooked up. You can like tilt it and stuff. Really cool. Alright, so turn it on. Oh, there it goes. So you guys looking for a nice little camera? It's recording you. I see you. This would be a perfect one to get. Nice stocking stuffer for anyone out there doing like extreme sports. You guys could take it out surfing and all that, skydiving. So really cool. Here's the functions. Goes. It's lightweight too, so definitely a nice one to have. Really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. The link is going to be down below. Where you get one of these. Who's it by? It's called SQ13. Check them out. Usually I thought there was a screen. Ain't no screen on this. There's gotta be a screen. There's barcodes or a QR code you can scan. You need the English side to see what's this about. There's an app for it. Oh, okay. High solution, pictures. Supports 32 gigs TF card max. Support loop recording, red light, power standby, blue light recording. I see you. And the Android mobile app supports DV download. Could download the stuff. Wi-Fi mode, so that's really cool. Wi-Fi connections. Should be easy to set up. Oh, here's good stuff. This is what I want to know. MPEG, 30 frames per second. Proportion is 16:9. Working time is 100 minutes. High speed USB 2.0, micro USB, Windows Me. I don't even know if that's around. 2000 XP, 2003 Vista, Mac OS Linux. System in system. Alright. So definitely check these guys out. Get a camera at this cost. Definitely a great deal right now. And check them out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe and see you soon.